Right here on the screen is a $20 bonus that you can start trading with. Right, as you can see, I've been able to claim mine, and in this video that's what I'll be showing you, how to claim yours. And believe me, you can withdraw from this bonus. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim it and how you can start trading with it, and also the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus. So all you just have to do is to make sure you watch this video to the very end, and also don't forget to like the video, comment where you are watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification button so that you don't miss out on updates like this, updates how to make money in 2025. All right, so let's dive into how you can get this bonus. So to get this bonus, all you just have to do is to check the description of this video. I'll drop in a link there. Click on the link, it will take you to my Telegram channel. In my Telegram channel, you get a link to get this bonus. Click on the link and it's going to take you to somewhere like this. After getting to this website, all you just have to do is to click on claim bonus right here. As you can see, click on claim bonus and it's going to take you to another page. After getting to this place, this is where it's going to direct you to. You know the drill, just input your full name, your email address and others. So after filling out the important details, click on you agree to their customer agreement and click on open an account. Click on open an account. So after inputting the details, it's going to take you here, and after getting here, all you just have to do is to input your code, confirmation code. They've sent it to your Gmail, so just go to your Gmail and get the code from the place and input it right here. Input it right here, and after inputting it, click on confirm. All right, and after clicking on confirm, it's going to take you right here. As you can see, our account is ready, and this is our login ID, MetaTrader 4 account number, trading password. All right, so that's what we are going to use to log into our MT4 app, and so that we can start trading. All right, so moving on to the next stage. After getting to your Gmail, you will see this kind of message. All right, as you can see right here, this transaction has been processed within your account. They deposited 20 USDT right here, as you can see, into your account. So the next thing is just to log into your MT4 app. All right, so let me teach you how to do this very quickly. After receiving this message, you also receive your login details. All right, you also receive your login details. So this is the login details I got from them. So I'll just copy it and paste it to my MetaTrader 4 account, and I will receive my bonus in my account so that I can start trading with it. So upon getting to your MT4 account app, just click on add trading account right here and click in log into it and search for the name of the broker. All right, which is this. Search for this and make sure you select main right here. Select main and input your login ID right here. All right, so after inputting it, just click on sign in and you wait for it to load. All right, click on sign in, and as you can see, the 20 USD is in our account already, and you can start trading with it. All right, you can trade all pairs on the account, so you can just start trading with it. And as for the terms and condition is quite simple to meet. You only have to trade 2 lot size, and the minimum withdrawal is 20 USD and the maximum withdrawal is 100 USD. And also the bonus is valid for 30 days, which is a month. All right, so if you're able to claim this bonus, let me know. Send the proof to me that you're able to get yours, and if you are not, let me know in the comment section what's stopping you from getting this bonus. All right, thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country, and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on updates like this. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a nice day.